Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with another question from Blue Book Test 1, Math Module 2B. It's not just another question, it's the last question in this supposedly harder section, right? So we're going to do this one together. I'm going to show you my tricks for it. I'm not sure if there are tricks for this one, but let's see. We'll find out together. But I will show you how to do it no matter what, right? So let's go through. If you have questions, let me know. So in triangles LMN and RST, angles L and R each half measures 60 degrees. Ln equals 10 and RT equals 30. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to prove the triangle LMN is similar to triangle RST? Okay, so we're talking about similarity, right? Not congruence. And when they're similar, right, they look the same. I'm going to draw this and butcher it, but you got my point, right? So we have one like this, and then we have one, maybe it's bigger, maybe it's smaller, but the angles are the same, okay? So then we're going to do, and I really recommend drawing out for this one. This will be L, this will be N, this will be not R, it will be N. Okay, now I'm going to introduce you to R, S, T. So it tells us L and R are each 60. 60, 60. So we need to find these angles and make sure they're the same as these angles, right? And then Ln equals 10 and RT equals 30. Okay, so if they are similar, this triangle is 3 times as big as this one, right? So if they told us MN equals 7 and ST equals 7, that would prove they're not similar because it's not following the same ratio. So we're going to cross that out. Goodbye to you, N. Or goodbye to you, A. Okay. Bye-bye. Nice knowing you. MN equals 7 and ST equals 21. Okay, that's interesting. Then we can maybe do some talking, right? Because this is this, and this is this, but we don't know anything about the angles, and we don't know if they are proportional. So again, not enough information. Not as obviously wrong as A, but wrong enough to not be what we want, right? We are strict about how to prove it. The measures of angles M and S are 70 and 60 respectively. Okay, so that would prove what? Ooh, proves us not similar. Because then angle M is 70, angle S is 60, and that does not work at all, because then they're totally not congruent. Because this 60 and 60, right, not going to work. And I know they're corresponding because they give us to them in LMN, RST, right? That order should be corresponding. And L and R are each 60, so that's not going to work. All right, last one. M is 70 again. Okay. And T, interesting, is 50. They aren't corresponding, but what does that tell us about the other angles? This is 60, this is 70. They have to add up to 180. So plus N equals 180. Some good math is going to give me 130 plus N, right? Because 6 plus 7 is 13, and you just add the 0. And then N equals 50. Ooh, I'm liking that. I am liking that. Yes, I am. Because look, the T is also 50. And then what would this angle be, right? It should be 70, but let's just check. 60 plus 50 plus S equals 180. And then that's going to be 110 plus S equals 180. S equals 70. Yes, yes. That is working for us, right? So now that proves that they're all equal. The angles are all equal, so that means the triangles are similar. So our answer is D, all right? D. Okay, so that is the end of Blue Book Test 1, Math Module 2B, but don't worry, I'll be back tomorrow, and I am doing something new tomorrow, new section, maybe even a whole new type of question. We'll see. But again, not too bad. These are harder. Some people say the first Blue Book test is not the hardest, that it's easier than the real test and easier than future Blue Books. But don't worry about that. We'll get to those too. All right. And if you have questions on this, let me know. If you have questions on why any of these and other answers weren't sufficient, let me know. And remember, check the answer choices and have some fun with this. It's not all work, right? All work, no play makes Johnny a dull boy. We don't want to be like Johnny. All right. So enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.